Good morning, children. How are you doing? So, we will learn about pouring of water and pouring of grains. Okay? So, you can help your mommy and daddy in the kitchen, or you can take your own glass of water. Alright? So, are you ready? Excited? Okay, we will start in a bit. Okay, children, today we will be doing pouring of grains. Okay, for that you will need the jar with the grain, and you will need two empty bowls. Okay, it can be of any size. I have taken this size, and a spoon. All right. Now here is a jar of a bigger grain. So we start pouring with a bigger grain first to get used to it. Then we go for the smaller ones. All right. So here is the jar. See the jar, as you can see, it's giving a good noise. It's giving good sound, right? Okay, and it is made of glass, so we'll have to be very careful. It should not break. Okay, so we open the jar, and see I'm holding the bottle tight down, and then I have opened the jar. Okay, now since it has a spoon, I will try to take out very few, see, 2 or 3 at a time. All right, so I'll repeat that for a few times. Okay, so see, as I told you, this is called Rajma pulses. Okay, we call it Rajma. Alright, so I've taken it a few times. Now what I will do, from one bowl to another, I'll practice. Okay, so I take one, the other hand is free. Okay, I'm just using my thumb and my index finger. 1, 2, 3, one at a time. We have to make sure we don't let it fall. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's done. Okay, then we'll go for the next one. Okay, now next, as you can see, it is smaller grains that we will take up. So it's a glass bottle. So any bottle, any jar, whether it be glass or plastic or something else, you need to put it properly on the table. Don't put it to very side of the table, it may fall. Okay, put it towards the center of the table. Hold it, open the lid, and then whatever spoon is available, use it. Don't pour a lot of it at a time. So you have to just take a few and put it in the bowl. Take a few and put it in the bowl. Take a few and put it in the bowl. Alright? Okay, so we keep on repeating that. Okay, then I have some of it now in this bowl. Now what I will do, with my fingers I will put it from one bowl to the other bowl, which is empty. Alright, so I can either take one at a time and put it. If I feel that I can do more, I can take a few at a time because they are smaller grains, and then put it from one bowl to another. Okay, since they are smaller grain, I'm holding the bowl. Okay, so that the grains don't fall. Okay, I have to make sure it goes to the next bowl. Okay, So I keep on repeating it. As I told you, I can take one at a time, or I can take a few at a time. Okay, and put it to the next bowl. See, I'm doing it so neatly. You need to do the same. Alright, take it and put it to the next bowl. Alright, so we can keep on doing this until we are able to empty the bowl. Alright, yes. If you want to count, you can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can ask your mama to make the same pulses today. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, it is done. I fill the other bowl. Similarly, we can do with different things. Like I have rice here, it's brown rice. You can do the same thing. Take it with the spoon, put it in the bowl, and then put it from one bowl to the other. I have some more smaller ones. Okay, you can do it with, practice the same with this as well. Okay, so this was pouring of grains. So today, now we will learn pouring of water. Okay, see what I have done. I have taken a jug and I have taken half filled with water. I haven't filled it till the top. I have taken half. You can take lesser if you want. Okay, and it has a handle, okay, which you can hold tightly, and it has a pouring mouth. Okay, I've tried to take a pouring mouth. This makes it easier for the water to flow. So what we do, we try to first put it towards the center of the table. We don't put it towards the end. Okay, we put it towards the center of the table, a little far away from us. Okay, and then we stretch our hands and we hold it tightly. Hold the glass tightly. Hold the handle tightly. Okay, and then what we do, we pour the water. Okay, and we don't fill it up. We don't fill it up more than half the glass. Alright, so we pour the water like this. So once you learn from the jug, you can start pouring from bottles and from different jugs, okay, which are used usually at home. Okay, children, thank you for watching. Okay, bye for now.
Much for watching till the end. Do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, like, share and comment on the video.